Even the 15 years of the experience in my career as a leader of SCM and sourcing, I realize I must be very futuristic. Considering that futuristic, the Simplilearn has given a platform to me to go with AI and ML, and that has given that confidence to me. I'm the mechanical guy, I don't know what is the P of the programming. But after the joining of IIT Guwahati for AI and ML, I was the person to make the program, to develop a software, to integrate the system. The course benefited in terms of both to upgraded myself. After that, that has given a good salary increment. Hi, this is Karunesh Kumar Mishra. I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I'm having 15 years of the experience in automotive sector. I work with different industries in OEMs. Now I'm working with the EV OEMs where I'm dealing with the SCM and sourcing as a general manager there. So I'm always considering to upgrade myself wherever I'm currently, because whatever the new technology is going to come, if you are able to adhere that, so that will give the good boost to you for your future growth. Always we are having the challenges, as you know, if I'm in SCM and sourcing, so we are dealing with the multiple suppliers who are having the multiple categories, so they always give the troubles to us, but the communication is most important. I was looking for some upgraded skill education platform. So Simplilearn contacted with me and they have given the option that I should go with AI and ML. So AI and ML is completely futuristic, as of now, if we'll talk about in India, so it's quite less. But coming years, that is going to develop and that is going to, implement all everywhere. AI and ML has given that confidence in me. I can develop a software, I can, integrate the system with my own, which was completely new, and that has given the good opportunity to me to go for future. Before program, so I was completely like a simple management guy. After program, I can deal with any challenges. Whatever the learning they have given to me through Simplilearn, that had given the confidence to me to deal with any challenges. The course benefited in terms of both to upgraded myself with the good learning, having my background and profile. After that, that has given a good salary increment. As a professional way, if we'll talk about, so I'll request to each and every working member who is working in an industry, they must go for their upgradation wherever they are having the opportunities. Nowadays, as I said, the Simplilearn, who is having the long connection with the very big institutions, the age doesn't matter, you can develop yourself at any age. It's up to you how you are considering to upgrade yourself. If you are getting the opportunity, so you should go for it, because you will upgrade your learning, you will upgrade your skill, which is going to help you a lot in your career